Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Euro USD setups for today. So starting off on the 8th hour, juicy, beautiful inside bar here. However, the weekly was a bit of a rejection bar off the 155. We do have a crossover the moving averages, so strong possibility of us looking for support lower down. We have tagged it already. You can see that's the level there. So a bit of a range bar from last week as well, so I'd be a little bit cautious about which direction we're going to go. But oscillators grouped to the downside, separated ever so slightly, and starting to cross over. Big juicy inside bar off a level being 108.325. I would argue that we're going to be looking for an opportunity to move to the upside. So bearish setups on the 3 hour below all the moving averages, bouncing on the 150 EMA. But no real bullish setup here on the 3 hour to speak of, apart from this inside bar. And it's a gap up inside bar. So the minute you start going through the lower time frames, still no structure here for me to look for a long. I'll be a little bit cautious of shorts at the moment. I need a little bit more structure to be chasing shorts, and just looking at what's happening on the indexes and what's happening in the markets around the noise. I don't think I want to be looking for shorts just yet. The dollar is under pressure, so I'd be cautious and waiting for breakouts to the upside. So dropping to the 15-minute, don't forget to hit that like button. And when we start looking at the 15-minute, you'll see below the 155, which indicates a downtrend, strong move down, parabolic break to the upside sideways. So I would be looking for something along this. I'd want to see a break above 108.931, and I'd want to see a pullback onto that. That's going to validate a big cup and handle for me, and then we'll be looking for a move to the upside. So until that happens, I think I will be sitting on my hands, and we'll just wait for that. I don't think anything's going to happen today, to be honest. I think this is something we're going to have to wait for tomorrow. So I'll be sitting on my hands on the Forex market until tomorrow. The indexes do offer some great opportunities. So if you're looking to trade, I think I'd rather trade the indexes at the moment, because we're going to have to break through this zone convincingly, and I want to see the moving averages all crossed over and pointing up on the 15-minute before looking for that opportunity. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.